Alright guys, so here I go to go get the elephant ears mirrors, the side view mirrors for the E34s. I have a 95 E34, so I'm going back to the 91 and before, those models that had the elephant ears, which, you know, that's how people call them. I overall like the design of those mirrors instead of the facelift ones, because it gives the, you know, the other ones like belong to the car, like the design belongs to the original design of the car. These ones, you see them everywhere on the E36, you see them on the 5 Series, the new ones. So I'm gonna get those today. I'm getting them for $70, both of them. You know, the guy said the paint is in excellent condition. I'm gonna see how it is. And one thing that I saw in the picture is that it comes already with a wire for the 95 models. Yeah, so that's an advantage. Alright, I'll put another clip when I get the mirrors. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the mirrors already. The mirrors are right there. They're a little bit scratched up and dusty, but I'm gonna polish them out and put some compound on it. Okay, so now I'm here at home, trying to take some scratches out of the mirrors with 3000 sandpaper and some soapy water. Alright guys, so look what I got. I have these mirrors right there. These are the E34 mirrors called elephant ears, the ones that came on the early models. As you can see, the glass is, these mirrors look brand new right now. Not brand new, but you know, better for the ones that I had. Look, these are the ones that I have, the later model. You see how the paint is already, the trim here is fading. The mirrors are starting to get bad around the edges, and this one's not that bad. The driver's side is worse. And parallel wheels. Yeah, baby. Look, this side is really bad over here. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace those. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the passenger side first. You can see you need to take this screw right here of the grill, the speaker grill on the corner right there of the door. You need to take that guy right there, that one, to expose to have access to this one, to the middle, that holds the whole mirror assembly. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so now I took the screw that was there, so now this just pops off. Sorry, I don't have nobody to record me. Now you just leave that, you can leave that right there. There's no need to take it all out. Just so you can have access to the bolt. It's an Allen, so let's see. Probably can do it with an Allen key. I have Allen sockets on my inside of my house, but I'm gonna do it with an Allen key. Okay, so the number of the Allen should be a 6mm. I'm using an Allen key right now, but you can use a socket, 6mm, it doesn't matter. I already loosened it up, took the pressure out already, and now you just put it in there and turn to the left. Remember to try to open up the door panel a little bit, and there's the wire right there, and then just pull the mirror out. That's it. Okay, so after you poke the wire through there and then bottom here, then you just need to connect it. and put the ball back in. Okay, so as you can see, I already have the mirror mounted. I plug the wire back in, I put the bolt right here. Now it's time to put the speaker grill. Just let me give you guys a look. As you can see, the car looks much better from that to this. The design, man, the design is perfect. It's way better. It goes with the lines of the car instead of this crappy one. I know I have them in my E36. As you can see, it's the same style on the E36. Yeah. I'm gonna show you, I'm not gonna record the driver's side because it's basically the same thing. Just, you know, everything is to the other side. But I'm gonna show you when I have both of them on. Alright guys, so this is the view from the inside. They look so much better. Now it looks like a true classic. It gives a better look to the car. By the way, look at my steering wheel. This gave a nice update to the interior. Not an update, but you know, like a more refined and classier look. But those mirrors, man, that was a steal. I got them for $60. But yeah, like I was saying, I had to polish them out with 3000 sandpaper, and then I did compound, Meguiar's ultimate compound, and they came out nice. Because they had a little bit like surface scratches, so I took those out. They were not off with the 3000 sandpaper. Yeah, but as you can see, now they're mounted to the car, and they look pretty nice. Now it's time to see if I can find some sport seats. If not, I'm gonna re-dye these ones on black. I'm gonna keep it black on black. The back ones, the top is good. The bottom has a lot of surface, like scratches and wrinkles everywhere. Yeah. Yep. And now it started raining. Let me clean the mirror out a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, look how those things look. They look amazing with a 95 grill. Because this is a 1995. Now it looks amazing. Amazing. They fit just perfect. Just perfect. Yeah. Anyone that says these mirrors don't fit, these ones I was lucky because I got them with the same wiring as the ones that I had. But you can see the reflection. You see they have a nice gloss, and still I'm not finished with them. I'm gonna do more compound now that they're mounted, and also wax. And tomorrow I'm gonna put another video when I'm washing the car. Yeah, the glass, you see the mirror looks new. Alright guys, hope I had to get myself into the car because it's raining like crazy over here. I'm gonna post another video when I'm washing the car, probably tomorrow after I wash it, just so you guys see my car. But that was the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It works also to replace the side view mirrors, the stock ones. But this is a little update. You know, not update, downgrade. I'm downgrading by, you know, more slick look, better design mirrors. And I was lucky because mine have the same wiring as my 95. It had the small socket, not the small socket, the small plug connector. But some of them, I guess the older ones, because this came from a 1990, these mirrors. But I guess the older ones I saw on eBay, most of them had the big socket. So, you know, in case you need, you will have to get an adapter or something. But now you see how to do it, and it's easy. I did it in less than half an hour, probably 20 minutes the most. Yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Hit the like and subscribe if you find the video helpful. And you know, I see you guys around.